Hello, hello. Welcome back to a new video. Let's hop right into it. I'm a wife. I am officially a married wifey. This is literally insane for me to say it. I already noticed when I was kind of introducing Max in certain ways where it was like, oh, you know, instead of that's my boyfriend, I'm like, that's my husband. And I'm like, holy we're growing up. It's like a really weird feeling. Anyway, we are here in Italy. We're at Lago di Garda, which means the Lake of Garda, and it is absolutely stunning. We're currently on our honeymoon. Max is quickly in the gym and I just got out of the shower. So I planned a whole wedding and then Max was in charge of the honeymoon and we arrived, was it yesterday? Yeah, we arrived here yesterday. The hotel gave us the biggest upgrade I have ever seen. Like, this is not even a hotel room, it is actually insane. So I'm going to show you quickly. Wait, this is dirty. I feel my camera is dirty. Can't have a foggy camera. Okay, so it is actually a little bit gray or like foggy out right now. It's also like 8 p.m. But look at the view. This is actually insane. This is the lake. Normally you can look all the way there. And this is just like so stunning. Got a little apartment here. And then also let me show you the inside. It is actually huge. This is just one part of the bedroom. Anyway, I finished my last vlog. I think we were talking about if I was gonna vlog throughout the wedding or not, and I just really wanted to feel that in the moment. My assistant Abby, shout out to Abby, actually was there and like filmed also a lot, and I did choose to share it with you guys. It's a weird thing, but it was such a special experience. You guys are basically family to me, been on this like life journey with me, so that's why I do want to share that footage with you. So I'm currently getting ready. I just took a shower because Max and I are gonna go for dinner in the town. We're staying at a gorgeous La Fay, like a spa hotel. One of our favorite things to do is just going to the spa. Like, we enjoy that as a couple, and we also felt like after a busy week we just really wanted to relax, so that's why we're here. But yeah, okay, so while I get ready, let's chat. So we got married about 4 days ago in Puglia, which is in the south of Italy. I absolutely love that area. I feel it's very different than other parts. It is more like rustic, very like cool, almost like a little deserty. There's so many old olive trees there, which is truly magical, and you will see a little bit later. And we found this gorgeous venue that actually my wedding planner knew about, and she introduced us to them. And from the moment we walked there last year, I was immediately obsessed, and I was like, this is the place where we're gonna do it. We just really wanted to build an experience with our friends and family and just have so much fun, and that was the whole week was surrounded by that. And when people say it is the best day of your life, I honestly think it really was. It was just magical to have everyone there, and to the bridesmaids, my best friends, my family, and I just felt so much love. It was incredible. So we had a 3-day wedding, and the reason for this was because we really wanted to create an experience with our people and not have it just one day where we only get to chat super quickly with everyone. So our first night we organized like an Apulian street food night, where we had in our venue like a big piazza with little food stands. In these food stands, obviously the food is so important for us. We had like fish stand, we had a bread stand, we had like a grilled vegetable stand, we had like a meat stand, gelato, all these places where people could like walk around. So I kind of want to show you guys the first day of our event, what this looked like, where everyone was arriving. Throughout everything, that was probably the moment I was the most nervous after Max and I got ready, and then just kind of saw all our friends and family in Italy at once. It was just so overwhelming. But yeah, I want to take you guys to our welcome dinner and how all of that went. Alrighty guys, we are getting ready here. Mackie and Alan here.
Hey!
We're just getting hair and makeup done for our very first night. They are setting up outside like a Apulian street food. So they have all these little food stands and whatever. We're just getting makeup done. It is so nice to not be worrying about this myself. We're gonna go for glowy look, and then we'll put a little extension in with the mermaid hair. It's been something I've been really into lately, especially here, like vacation vibe. I think it'll be really cute.
Family's here, Sanne's family's here, everybody that we love and care about's here. So thank you so much for making the trip. It means the world to us. Cheers!
That was day one. I stayed up till like 1:30 and I was like dancing and hanging. At 1:30 a.m. I was like, okay, I was having so much fun, but I was like, I need to go to bed because I need to feel rested and I need to feel energized for tomorrow. So then it was a wedding day. The bridesmaids arrived around noon, and honestly I was so relaxed and so chill. I just felt like, you know, the wedding planner did everything. For months we've been planning everything out, so I was kind of like, there is truly nothing to be stressed about. And I also really wanted to focus on being so present. So in the morning, actually I took like 45 minutes for myself where I just was stretching, I was reading a book, I was having some coffee, and I was just really relaxing and just feeling so present. So then when all the girls arrived, my bridesmaids, I had 8. It was just already so much fun to just get ready all together. I don't know, I would highly recommend doing it. Honestly, Max and I did barely do any of the very traditional things during a wedding, but I just thought it would be so fun to do with my girlfriends. And I had my makeup artist come in from New York. I really wanted to feel so classic and beautiful and like simple but elegant. So that was kind of my inspiration for everything. Also for all the flowers and greenery, I wanted like green with white and just very pure. That was kind of the vibe I was going for. And then after we had the ceremony in the olive tree garden or olive tree area, which was honestly unreal. First of all, you're in like 1,000 volts olive trees, and we like put flowers up. Jason, who you guys all know, officiated the wedding, which was very special. I really wanted to focus on making nothing boring throughout the wedding. So it wasn't even a speech, it was, he had prepped it literally for 4 days before, like every day until 6 a.m. he was up, and he made an amazing freaking, I don't know, officiation speech, whatever. It was actually really funny because there was a point where I had to repeat a sentence and I was just like so nervous and I just couldn't remember it. I, Sanne Vloet, hereby in this ceremony or in symbol of love, take Max as my husband. I don't know, I had to repeat it and literally the crowd was like cracking up because I just couldn't remember. It was like in the moment, but yeah. And then after we had like aperitivo, we had drinks, and before getting into our dinner, my mom already told me she wanted to do like a song instead of a speech, and I was like, what is she going to do? I was so nervous. And honestly, what they did was so wholesome. She made like her speech into a song, and then the chords, she gave a little paper to all our guests to sing with. So at one point, Max and I are standing there. The whole crowd is just singing this personal song to us. And it was honestly the cutest thing ever. It was literally adorable. I loved it so much. And then after we had dinner, we had our Nekahama matcha cake, obviously. And we were ready to party. It was unreal. I think we literally danced, guys, for 5 hours straight. Like everyone was going at it. We had an amazing DJ from Sweden, but she lives in LA. Her name is Jennifer. Some of the guests stayed up till sunrise. I had to go to bed at like 5. I was so tired. But yeah, I kind of want to show you guys the whole wedding recap.
Keep getting more beautiful. Alice, say hi to YouTube.
Hey, hi! Dad!
Oh my gosh, so cute! No way, that's so beautiful.
Dan.
So I love it. I know, I have like goosebumps. Sanne, not yet, not yet. I know, yeah. Okay, yeah. A little bit.
We are gathered here today in the presence of love and celebration to witness and honor the union of Sanne and Max. So let us take a moment to reflect upon the remarkable journey that has brought us all here together. With every person you became, you continue to choose each other again and again.
Matcha wedding cake.
This is so pretty.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever after. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
So that was wedding day. I have a feeling it is going to rain soon. The weather is looking a little bit gray, but that's okay. Also, let me show you my ring quickly. I can't stop staring at it. This is my wedding band. It's so sparkly. I first wanted to go for something so simple, and then I put this on and I was like, this is gorgeous. It is Logan Holloway. It's so pretty. I feel so many of you have so many questions for me. I literally don't even know where to start. So I was maybe thinking doing a whole other wedding Q&A specifically for it. So if you have any questions for me, then pop it in the comments down below. And then for one of my next videos, I will try to answer most of them. I think one of the biggest tips other brides gave me was like, okay, don't forget to eat. You should really like feel your body, like you will forget. And I was like, girl, I did not forget to eat. Like, one of the main reasons we went to Italy was because of the good food. The food throughout the whole weekend was just so amazing that I could not miss out on. So yeah, I actually was able to try everything and just really enjoy it, honestly. Like, really enjoy every aspect of the weekend with friends, with family, the food, the atmosphere, dancing, all of it. But yeah, I am going to get dressed and then go for dinner and enjoy my honeymoon a little bit more. I feel this is the very first time that Max and I are actually taking some real time off, which has been feeling really, really good. So I will see you guys very soon. Love you.